Task number 3, SQL, is part of the SQL Fundamentals room inside the Cybersecurity 101 module learning path in TryHackMe. What is SQL? Now, all of this theoretical sounds great, but in practice, how do databases work? How would you go and make your first table and populate it with data? What would you use? Databases are usually controlled using a database management system, DBMS, serving as an interface between the end user and the database. A DBMS is a software program that allows users to retrieve, update, manage the data being stored. Some examples of DBMSs include MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle databases, and Maria DB. Whatever. The interaction between the end user and the databases can be done using SQL, Structured Query Language. SQL is a programming language, okay, that can be used to query, define, and manipulate the data stored in a relationship, a databazione. So SQL query, SQL language, use it in relational databases. The benefits of SQL and relational databases. SQL is almost as ubiquitous as databases themselves, and for good reason. Here are some of the benefits that come with learning and using SQL. It's fast. Relational databases, aka those that SQL is used for, can return massive batches of data almost instantaneously due to how little storage space is used and high processing speeds. Easy to learn. Very easy to learn, actually. Unlike many programming languages, SQL is written in plain English, making it much easier to pick up. The highly readable nature of the language means users can concentrate on learning the functions and syntax. It's reliable. As mentioned before, relational databases can guarantee a level of accuracy when it comes to data by defining a strict structure into which data sets must fall in order to be inserted. And it's flexible. SQL provides all kinds of capabilities when it comes to querying a database. This allows users to perform vast data analysis tasks very effectively. Getting hands-on. Now that we've covered what SQL is, it's time to get hands-on and start using it yourself. Click the green start. All right. Let's see. All right, so we'll use MySQL. All right. User root, and then for the password we enter TryHackMe. Okay. What else? Okay. It just enters in the MySQL with those credentials. Answer the question below. What serves as an interface between a database and an end user? What serves as an DBMS? Right, if we go right, a database management system is the software that controls the database. What query language can be used to interact with relational database? SQL.